Hi, this is Frank Kontesky here at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. I'm here to show you our 2022 Sailfish 276 DC. So this model has been remodeled from the 275. Newer hardtop configuration, a couple more options that were added. Right now you can see the nice whole side shot of the Provence blue hull color. The underside of the hardtop actually matches that color as well. Here's one of the first new options Pete will give you a shot of, is the dive door. So as you walk through the dive door, you can have a pull-out seat here instead of the door, which I will show you right over here. The dive door does have a ladder that can attach to it, or you can hop up onto the boat from the boarding ladder on the transom. Telescoping ski tow bar, so if you want to go tubing, wakeboarding, skiing, any of that, you can pull that out. If not, it can be tucked away. Off the transom here, we have twin Mercury Veratos, 200 horsepower on this guy. They are painted white, you can get them black as well. As we move up towards the bow of the boat, nice sink with cup holders here. A multi-position lounger on this side. You can sit forward and back. It can go all the way down into a bench. Underneath, we do have an insulated cooler and then an on-off cooler. Captain's chair can move forward and back. Twin screens here with a Mercury vessel view screen as well. On your radio here you have Sirius, AM, FM, all that good stuff. It does have Bluetooth capability as well. I will show us a little shot of the head as well. Nice big opening for a 27-foot boat, easy in and out. You do have some sea deck in there as well to make it a little smoother grip for your feet climbing in and out of there. Pete will make his way up to the bow. So we have storage underneath both sides, but each side is a little different. Right in front of the helm, you do have a nice deep access here to the table. You can also get in from the side door there. This is nicely molded out for a 5-gallon bucket. Nice attention to detail there. This boat also comes equipped with a windlass, through-hole windlass, so you can control it from the helm or up here in the bow. So again, this is a 2022 Sailfish 276 dual console. It is located here in Brick, New Jersey. It is actually available right now. Come by and check it out. Thank you for your time.